Hello students, hope you are going very well through the topics I explained in my last videos. Today I explained you exercise 7.3. Topic is area of triangle of unit coordinate geometry. We know that area of triangle according to geometry is half of base into height. But here we have to adjust area according to different points. 3 points are given, 3 coordinates of A, B, C are given to us, x, y and y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. And the formula of area of triangle is half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y1 minus y3 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We have to solve area of triangle by this formula. Means अगर x1 adjust करना है, we have to adjust coordinates of other abscissa point, ordinate point of other coordinate. And x2 adjust किया है तो other ordinate points y1 and y3. x3 adjust किया है तो we have to adjust y1 and y2. Now the example number 11th is find the area of triangle whose vertices are this, this and this. Area of triangle हमें find करना है. Area of triangle we have to adjust the formula first. Formula apply करने के बाद value हो जाएगी 1 into points are 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. Here it will x1 is 1 y2 minus y3 6 plus 5 plus minus 4 according to this ordinate points are minus 1 plus 5. Next is plus x3 is minus 3 and y1 minus y2 is y1 minus y2 is minus 1 minus 6. Here the value is 1 by 2 11 plus minus 4 into 4 plus minus 3 into minus 7 and its value is 1 by 2 11 minus 16 plus 21. It will be 5 and 11 16. 16 by 2 is 8. And the answer is 24 square units. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 y3 minus y1 adjust करना y3 minus y1. Here is y3 is positive negative 5 negative 1 plus 1. It will be minus 4 plus 16. This is 48. 48 by 2 is 24. Now the example number 2 is find the area of triangle formed by the points this, this and this. And according to it same example as so we can solve it. Example number 13th is find the area of triangle formed by points this, this and this. Same. And next example is find the value of k if points this, this and this are collinear. Collinear means we don't form a triangle according to these points. All the points are in a line. So area of triangle is equal to 0 in this case. So we have to find the value of k according to area of triangle equal to 0. Points are 2, 3, 4k and 6 minus 3. Given coordinates, then area of triangle is equal to half of x1 2 y2 minus y3 k plus 3 plus y2 4 y3 minus y1. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट एडजस्ट करना है, इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. अगर x1 है तो y2 y3, x2 है तो y3 y1, x3 है तो y1 y2. 4 into minus 3 plus 6, its value will be 3 minus k is equal to 0. यहाँ पे पहले शो कर लो since the points are collinear. According to it, it will be 1 by 2 into 2k plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. 1 by 2, so on that side it will be 0. The value is 2k plus 6 minus 24 plus 18 minus 6k equal to 0. That means 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. 6 minus 24 is 18. 18 negative 18, negative 18 plus 18 is 0. Plus 0 equal to 0. Minus 4k equal to 0 and k is also equal to 0. So the value of k is equal to 0 answer. And last example of this exercise is if A, B, C and D are vertices of a quadrilateral formed by, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. As like this one, A, B, C, D. Coordinates of ABCD are given to us and we have to adjust here a diagonal. According to diagonal AC, we are formed by, the quadrilateral is formed by two triangles, so we have to find the area of two triangles and add this area. Then we can find the area of quadrilateral. Coordinates of A, B, C and D is equal to minus 5, 7, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6 and 4, 5. Now we have to adjust here area of triangle ABC. ऊपर reference दे सकते हो. By joining AC we got two triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Then area of triangle ABC. That means half of x1 minus 5 into minus 6 minus 5 plus x2 x1 ABC, तो minus 5 plus 6 आएगा. ये मैंने गलती से ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स ले लिए, A B C के लेने. minus 5 plus 6 plus x2 is minus 4, x3 minus y3 minus y1, this is minus 6 minus 7 plus minus 1, this is 7 plus 5. That is half of minus 5 into 1 plus minus 4 into minus 13 plus minus 1 into 12. It will be 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 52 minus 12, 52 minus 17. 52 minus 17 is 12 minus 7, 5, 3. Positive 35 by 2, that is 17.5 unit square units. Now we have to adjust the area of triangle ACD. So according to it, we have to adjust these three coordinates. That is half of minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 plus minus 1 5 minus 7 plus 4 and 7 plus 6. Now it will be 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 11 plus minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 13. It is half 55 plus 2 plus 52, that is half of 4 and 5 9, 5 and 5 10. Its value is 54.5. Now add these areas. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. That is 17.5 plus 54.50 to 72 square units. That is the answer of this question. According to it, you have to solve the questions of exercise. Till then, thank you.